afternoon, students. So we'll see the chapter 9 discount. One problem. What is given in the question? Just go through. A shopkeeper decides to sell a certain item at a certain price. Now here the marked price or the selling price, nothing is mentioned. Okay. And what is given here? He tags the price on the item by increasing the decided price by 25%. So one price is already decided. On that he is giving 25%. He is increasing the marked price there. Okay. So while selling the item he offers 20% discount. Okay. After increasing the marked price by 25%, on that increased price he is offering 20% discount. So find how many more or less percent he gets on the decided price. Okay. So this is the solution what you are supposed to write. So we'll assume that the decided price be 100. Okay. So you have to first write, let the decided price be rupees 100. Then what is the increase in the price? Now it is not 100 rupees. He has increased, he has decided to increase the price by 25 percentage. So earlier it was 100 rupees. Now 100 rupees increased by 25%. So you have to take 25 upon 100. 25% means when we convert it into fraction, 25 upon 100. So 100 into 25 upon 100, you will get rupees 25. Okay. So there you need to write as rupees 25 there. Okay, the rupee symbol is important here. Then marked price. Now the new marked price will be how much? Earlier it was 100. Now he's increasing by 25%. That is nothing but 25 rupees. So now the marked price will be 125. On this he is giving a 20% discount. So how you will calculate discount? Marked price into discount percentage. What is the percentage given? 20%. Okay, so 125 into 20 upon 100. What answer you will get? When you divide, you will get the answer as 25. So how much discount he is giving? 25 rupees discount he is giving. Okay. Now, what will be the selling price then? How will you calculate selling price is equal to marked price minus discount. Okay, so what is the answer here? 125 minus 25. So what is your answer? It will be 100 rupees. So rupees 100. Now just see the decided price first. What was the decided price? We have assumed 100 rupees. Then he increased by 25%. So it was 25 rupees. And then mark price was 125. On that we got 20% discount. But is there any change in the mark price earlier and the selling price now? Both are 100. So is there any increase or decrease in the percentage? No, isn't it? So here there is no less also, not more also. Both are equal, both are 100 rupees. So that's why he gets 0% on the decided price. Okay, that will be your final answer. This is how you are going to solve the question. So next topic is about commission and rebate. So what do you mean by commission here? Okay. Now what is commission? It is a fees paid for the service. Okay. For the service done, a small amount of fees, usually it will be in percentage. Now you all are aware of the brokerage, like for the house. When you sell a house or when you purchase a house through an agent, you will give some percentage to the agent. Usually it is 2%. Okay. So whatever service they are doing, especially the middlemen, okay, they will get some fees in the form of commission. It will be mostly in the percentage form. Okay. So a fees paid for the service, usually a percentage of the total cost, is known as commission. Then you come across a word rebate. What do you mean by rebate, students? So rebate is nothing but a partial refund of the cost of an item. Okay. Now rebate means what? Here, after purchasing something, after paying the full money, the customer shopkeeper will give you a partial return of money or refund of money. And you have come across different refunds which you get, cashback offers online, isn't it? So whenever you purchase, you get. Now suppose I have purchased one bed sheet from that shop. Okay. Now suppose I purchase one bed sheet. Shopkeeper told me Price is 550. Okay. What will be the price? 550 rupees. Okay. Rupees 550. I purchased one bed sheet. I paid 550 and I went. Later on, you all or any one of the student went and purchased 10 bed sheets. Okay. In spite of one, you are purchasing 10 bed sheets. Okay. So what will be the total cost here? What will be the total cost? How you will see? For one it is 550. So for 10 it will be how much? 5500, right? Now you paid 5500. Now what the shopkeeper will do? Shopkeeper, so you have purchased so much in bulk, isn't it? So he may give a 500 rupees back to you. Okay, because what is the reason? You have purchased so many bed sheets from him, isn't it? So like a discount only, the rebate is. But what is the difference here, students? Now here, how much will be the answer here? You will be just paying 5000 rupees. If you paid 5500, he will give 500 back. But whether I got any discount or did the the shopkeeper gave me back some money? No, I'm not getting any discount. But here you're getting some money as a refund, isn't it? I did not get anything refund here. So that is called as what? Rebate. It is a partial refund of the cost of an item. Okay. Now discount means for everyone, but rebate will not be applicable for everyone. Now it depends. Okay. So rebate depends upon the shopkeeper. It will depend upon what the quantity you're buying and also to promote something. Okay. Rebate. Okay. Now based on this, you will be having. So here you can see a rebate is a kind of cashback or refund given to the customers against the purchase, which act as an incentive to complete the transaction. So discount are allotted before the actual sale. Before only you will be getting 20% off. Rebate are offered after the sale. After the sale, you will be getting some cashback. Okay. So based on that, you will be having some practice set. Based on that, you will be having some questions. Now let's see here what is a question given. John sold books worth rupees 4500 for a publisher. For this, he received 15% commission. Complete the following activity to find the total commission John obtained. What is the selling price of the books? Okay, 4500. So who is here acting as a middleman? John. Now here for a publisher, he is doing a service. He is selling the books, isn't it? For how much? 4500 rupees. So you have to write here. Now students, in your notebook, you can write, you have to write the entire sentence. Need not put a box. Write selling price of books is equal to rupees 4500. Okay, don't put a box. You can write the full sentence and don't write it in your textbook. Here we need to calculate, so it is better you do it in your notebook. Okay, now here selling price of books given as 4500. What is the rate of commission he is getting? You can see here 15%. So here you are going to write 15 percentage. That is a rate of commission. Now we'll see how much commission he got. So here 15% means 15 upon 100 into 4500. On 4500 he will be getting how much commission? 15%, isn't it? So 4500. Now what will be the commission in rupees? When you calculate, 0 gets cancelled. 15 into 45, you will be getting how much? 675 rupees. Okay, so how much commission is getting? 15% of 4500, so it will be 675 rupees. Okay, so this is how we are going to solve. Now here students, the calculation is almost same like what we did for discount. Okay, but here the name is changing and the meaning also will change here. Okay, but the calculation almost it remains the same. Now go through the second question. What is given? Rafiq sold flowers worth rupees 15,000 by giving 4% commission to the agent. Find the commission he paid. Find the amount received by Rafiq. So here Rafiq sold flowers worth rupees 15,000. Okay, so you can write there in the sentence format. Solution: selling price of flowers is equal to Rupees how much? 15,000. Write the symbol for rupees there, 15,000. I'm writing it in words. You can use a rupees symbol. Then rate of commission to the agent is equal to how much? 4 percentage. Okay. Then we have to find out the commission. Commission received by the agent is equal to how much? 15,000 into 4 divided by 100. 4% means 4 divided by 100. So what will be your answer? Just calculate. 15 fours are 0 gets cancelled. 15 fours are will be 60. So it will be 600 rupees. Okay. Now, not only commission, what else is asked? Find the amount received by Rafiq. Okay. So write therefore amount received by Rafiq. It is a name. Rafiq is a name of the person. Amount received by Rafiq. How much he will get? 15,000 ka sales, and then commission he have to give from 15,000. So 15,000 minus what is the commission amount we found out? 600. So what will be your answer? Is equal to 14,400 will be your answer. 14,400 is the amount received by Rafi. Okay, 14,400 rupees. Okay, so this is the final answer. We have found out commission also and the amount received by Rafi. Okay. Now the next question, what is given here? Umatai purchased the following items from a Khadi Bhandar. 3 saris for 560 rupees each, 6 bottles of honey for 90 rupees each. On the purchase, she received a rebate of 12%. How much total amount did Umatai pay? Okay. So write down everyone how we are going to write. First we have to see how much total amount it will cost for 3 saris, 6 bottles all together, how much she will pay. On that only we can calculate the rebate. So that is the reason. First write cost of 3 saris. Okay, how many saris? 3 saris is equal to 1 saree is costing how much? 560. So 3 into 560 is equal to what will be your answer? 1680. Okay. Now cost of 6 bottles of honey. Calculate cost of 6 bottles of honey. Will be how much? 6 into 90 rupees. So we'll give you 540 rupees. Correct? Now total cost will be how much then? Total cost is equal to 1680 plus how much? 540. So what will be your total then? What will be the total there? 2220. On this she is getting a rebate. So right there, rebate is equal to 12 percentage. Okay. We'll find out how much amount she got. Rebate in rupees. How much? 2,220 into 12 divided by 100. So what will be your answer? When you calculate, you will get it 266.4 rupees. Okay, you can write the rupees symbol there. Then what are you going to write next? On purchase, how much total amount did Umatai pay? Write there total amount paid by Umatai, okay, is equal to, how you will calculate, what was the total cost? 2,220 was the bill, and then from that the shopkeeper is giving a rebate of 12%, so he will deduct 266.4. So what will be your answer there? 1,953.6 rupees. So I'm writing here in word, you can write the symbol of rupees also. So this is the total amount paid by Umatai. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you so much.